What's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can improve your Android camera quality on your mobile phone. So it will work for any Android mobile or any brand. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do, first you have to open up your camera just like this. So after opening your camera, what you have to do, you have to click on this settings option in the top left corner. Then you will find a bunch of options here. You have to select one by one. If this option is available on your mobile phone, scene optimizer, you have to turn it on if it is turned off, or then you have to click on short suggestion. If it's turned on, you have to make it turn off, otherwise it will confuse you. So then what you have to do, you have to scroll a little bit and click on advanced picture option. Then you have to click on this high efficiency picture. You have to turn it on, and you have to turn it on also. So after doing so, you have to go back and you have to scroll a little bit and you have to turn it off, this option on, video stabilization. You have to turn it option on if it's turned off. So then you have to click on advanced video. Then you have to turn this both option on just like this. Okay, you have to turn this on, HDR plus 10 plus videos. Then you have to go back, and the most important thing, you have to click on this auto HDR and you have to turn on these grid lines so that you can capture pictures by aligned or as you wish. Then you have to scroll a little bit and you have to click on this vibration feedback, so you know when you have to capture the picture. So this is it guys. If you have turned on all of these options, you camera quality will be better from now. So this is how you can improve your camera quality or camera settings option on your Android phone. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.